Whereas throughout the history of the United States, African Americans have contributed to the strength and moral integrity of the nation as we strive to become a society that respects cultural differences, celebrates diversity, and shares unified values. Now, therefore, be it resolved that the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, on behalf of all residents of Fairfax County, does hereby proclaim February 2020 as African American History Month in Fairfax County.
I am delighted to be here today and to be a part of this very important program. So when I think about this particular month, I hearken back to my grandparents. So my grandparents, Eddie B. and Eleanor Dye, taught me so many important lessons. But what they did was they fought for the right for me and many of you in this room to be able to go to public schools, to get employment, to vote. And as a result of that, I recognize that I have a debt, I have a responsibility to do the same for my own kids and do that for other generations going forward.
On behalf of Gallery United Methodist Church, we want to thank Fairfax County. And since I only have a couple words, we only made it this far by faith. And we ask everyone just to hold on to God's unchanging hand.
Bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say.
You know, we have to focus on our past to create our future. And this is why, with the leadership of Jeff McKay, and One Fairfax in our strategic plan, we are shaping the future together.
As we progress with One Fairfax in Fairfax County, that we need all of your help to make sure that this county and this community makes every decision through an equity lens. And in doing that, we can create a more just society for all of our residents to thrive in.